everyone. Okay, so I'm here because I'm going to share two opportunities for you this month, October, leading up to December. So we've got some exciting things. I know some of you have participated in my past buy-in clubs, and so we're going to be starting that one again October this month, but I'll share the details to that at the end of this. I'm going to share with you a little bit of the laundry booster. Actually, this is not the laundry booster, I'm sorry. This is the bright and white booster. I'll share a little bit about that and how it might benefit you and your family and what needs that might meet for you. And then I'm also going to share with you about a low pressure way to be able to participate and our challenge coming up. So it's a laundry challenge. I'll share with you how that works and why you might want to participate, because it's going to be super fun. That's going to be at the end of this month in October. All right, real quick on this bright and white, we call it our laundry and home booster. So I don't know about you guys, but I know that in the past I have used liquid bleach, and it's mostly known for using to if you have any little bit of like yellows in synthetic fabrics, it's meant to brighten those up, right? Or to whiten those up. And that's essentially what we use the chlorine for, or the bleach for. I know my husband would use it for his white undershirts. And so it's mainly for that. The trouble came with, the trouble I had with it, and that we might all experience from time to time, is if when we're using it, our if any of our clothes might have a color or any little bit of a yellow tone to it, synthetic clothing, fabrics is what I'm talking about, then it might discolor it if it comes into contact or if it touches the bleach, the liquid bleach, right? So like if you would have a load of maybe whites, the liquid bleach might still stay in your washing machine when you put in the next bleach, and then you run into, the next load. Potentially, I know I've lost loads of clothes, the hundreds of dollars. So then you're just kind of like in this money pit thing. So you could potentially accidentally ruin a shirt, $50 down the drain kind of thing, or, ruin a whole load of clothes, $100 down the drain. So it kind of became a little bit of a money pit in that way. But most concerning was the effect that it has in our lungs. And so I've learned a lot about that. Apparently, if you use bleach just even once a week, you can have an increase of the COPDs up to 32%. COPDs, I have recently learned, I don't know if you've heard of this, but it's an absolute miserable disease to the lung. And most often it's the elderly that might experience this, but in the last few years, those cases have even been coming up even for just, younger ages. And part of the reason for that, and it's really specifically in men, I'm not so sure, but it's specifically in men that this has been happening with, but now it's just all around, it's happening. And this lung disease, the COPDs can cause lung disease, lung cancer, and what ends up happening is that now we have more of these things. It used to be most common amongst smokers. And when you think about it, it's, the smoke that's in the air, it decreases our lung capacity for being able to breathe. So, but now it's also for non-smokers. It's common for even non-smokers. And the reason for that is because what we're doing is we're using this bleach. And when we use bleach, we're coating our clothing. And then in return, we're coating our, our clothing. And what ends up happening is we're also going to coat our homes with these fumes. And so you might want to start considering, okay, do I want to use liquid bleach? Because even with the pandemic, we learned how important it is to take care of our lungs and how important it is, to increase our air quality, improve our air quality, the things that we're smelling. So it's not just the coming into contact with our clothing and then our skin, which is our largest organ, but now it's also our lungs. And so that's part of the reason why, cleaning with non-toxic cleaners has become such a huge issue, is because in the last 10 years, when that research came out with, oh my goodness, did you know that the cleaners that we're using, the typical household cleaners, might have toxins in there that are now contributing to how well we're able to breathe. And it's affecting, our lungs. It's equivalent to up to smoking 20 cigarettes a day. So that was the research that came out 10 years ago. This is why this whole thing just kind of became even more, it made more sense to us, right? One of the reasons we were super excited about being able to make the switch to cleaning with non-toxic cleaners, and which better way than to clean with the microfiber and the water alone, right? So we're super excited about this Bright and White laundry and home booster, because now this is intended to replace liquid bleach. That's amazing. And I've been using it a lot more here in my home, and not just for my laundry. What it does for our laundry is, if you have dungy clothes, dungy colored clothes, it just brightens that up, right? We're not having to use the liquid bleach, and you don't have to worry about then putting it with other clothes. You don't have to separate your whites with your colors. It's safe on color clothes. So that's awesome, right? You don't have to worry about coming into contact accidentally with your clothing or ruining a shirt or something like that. I know I used to clean with special old clothes that were already stained by when I would come in, close, and I'd rub my shirt against the cleaner that I had just used, and it would discolor my shirt. So I had to change my clothes. It was a whole ordeal just to be able to clean, as opposed to cleaning as I go along. Well, this is great for not only those dungier clothes that's brighten up my clothes, but it's I've put it into a spray bottle and made a home cleaner out of it, which is in the directions too. This is intended for that as well. So just read in the back. I'm excited about this laundry challenge. We're calling it Boost Your Bra Challenge. It's going to be super fun. And we're having it the last week of October. So it's October 24th through the 28th. It's that week, because each day we're going to have a challenge for you. And we're not only going to be giving you this if you don't have it yet. So if you do not have the Brighten and the White Laundry and Home Booster, then you qualify for the challenge. If you do not have the laundry detergent, then you also qualify for the challenge. You qualify for the challenge anyway if you want to participate, to learn and continue your journey. But as far as the sample that I'm going to be giving out, you would qualify if you don't have it. And then I'm also going to be sending out the laundry strips. If you don't have it yet, you qualify for a sample of that. And then the last one that I'll be doing is the one I did not bring. It's actually the actual booster. And the booster is meant to help, with those stinky, greasy things that we also use in the kitchen. So we do boost our laundry with it. Hats and things like that, but also our microfiber. This is what deep cleans that. So, but anyway, you qualify for that challenge. I encourage you to take a look at it and participate. I'll be sending out a form if you want to participate it. This is also going out by email and YouTube. So if you're watching this by YouTube, just reach out to me. I'll have the instructions there and how to participate and how to get into that. And also, if you are watching this by email, right? Because you might be getting it by email and catching it on email, or you might be catching it in my customer group. However you might be reaching this and you want to participate, they'll have instructions there for you to participate. I'll be getting those samples out ASAP. You will get them before the challenge, so by the 18th. And I'm super excited for that. So definitely get in on that. I think you might want to at least explore and learn as you continue your journey towards a healthier and happier home. You're going to want to learn about it, learn about the different things that we're going to be posting about, and then participating in the actual challenges that we're going to be giving you daily, to try this new way of maybe, something that you can adapt to or switch out in your home from, the toxic to the non-toxic alternatives, and see how that might work for you, right? Ultimately, our goal is for you to learn, for you to grow in your journey towards a healthier and happier home, right? And then see the possibilities that are out there for you. And we'll be offering as well, how to get the products into your home, whether you want to purchase them, whether you want to get them for free, or whether you want to earn and generate income like I'm doing for my family by helping educate and bring awareness to the toxins and the dangers of the toxins that might be lurking in our homes, right? And so that is our passion and our mission, and we always welcome those that want to do this with us, and while also earning income for your family like we're doing here too. So I'll be doing that. There'll be so much opportunity for you. All right, back to the buy-in club. Reach out to me about these details. It is a low, no pressure way to keep learning also in your journey for the next 3 months. So October, November, December. So basically, I teach you different things at the beginning of the month. I give you things to maybe consider and think about, and learn, whether it's air quality, whether it's water quality. We go into so many different types of educational things for you to consider and learn and continue your journey towards a healthier and happier home that you might want to consider. And then as you order, everything kind of goes into a pot, right? And then when you order for 3 months, then we're able to take the host rewards and just divvy them out by all of those that are participating and learning. And it gives you a chance to try new products, maybe something that you would have not ordered before or tried before. So it just gives you different little packages that you would get, and that comes at the end. It's super fun to do, and to just kind of, it's basically a testimony of what coming together looks like. And, it's maybe kind of learning maybe what a party looks like, and what the party rewards are, but also, educating yourself, empowering yourself with information to make powerful decisions for your home. And so we're super excited about this. It's going to be October, November, December, and that'll kind of, if you participate in this laundry challenge, of course, that can go towards the October into the buy-in club, of course, as well. And if you host in the laundry challenge as well, and you want to bring in other people and just for them to participate in that laundry challenge, then, or you decide to host, in November or December, then that also qualifies you to be, so you could host 1 month and order, the other 2 months. And that would qualify you for all of, us divvying out all of the host rewards at the end of the buy-in club, which will go out in January. So that'll be super, super fun after the holidays. It's kind of like a little Christmas for you while you're learning and growing and empowering yourself, and helping empower others as well. So, okay. I'm so excited that you get to be a part of this. Click the links accordingly, and I'll see you on the other side.